To get and use iCloud on Android, you will need to set up an Apple ID and download the iCloud app from the Google Play Store. First, go to the Apple ID website and create an account if you do not already have one. This will be your login credentials for all Apple services, including iCloud. Next, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for iCloud. Download and install the app. Then open it and sign in with your Apple ID. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can start using iCloud on your Android device. iCloud allows you to access your iCloud email, contacts, and calendar, as well as store and share files. To access your iCloud email, open the iCloud app and tap on the mail icon. You can then read and send emails, just like you would on an Apple device. To access your iCloud contacts, tap on the contacts icon in the iCloud app. You can then view, edit, and add new contacts. You can also sync your iCloud contacts with your Android Contacts app, so you can access them from anywhere. To access your iCloud calendar, tap on the calendar icon in the iCloud app. You can then view and edit your calendar events, as well as create new ones. You can also sync your iCloud calendar with your Android calendar app, so you can access it from anywhere. In addition to email, contacts, and calendar, iCloud also allows you to store and share files. To do this, tap on the iCloud Drive icon in the iCloud app. You can then upload and download files, as well as share them with others. To use iCloud Drive on your Android device, you will need to download the iCloud Drive app from the Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you can access your iCloud Drive files from anywhere. Overall, using iCloud on Android is a great way to access your Apple content and services on a non-Apple device. By following these steps, you can set up and use iCloud on your Android device and take advantage of all the features and benefits it has to offer.